Alexa, stop. Hi, good morning. I'm by myself and I'm eating breakfast. So this is what I have. Yakisoba. I made it. No, it's not. I bought it at Costco and I just reheated it. Mango. My favorite Tabasco. Piece of bread. And I stole Ian's iPad. I'm gonna watch It's Judy's Time. Alright, let's eat. This is where Ian and I slept last night. We slept in the living room. And this is how it looks currently. Bam! Good morning. Today we have our bed delivered. Right there, the bed. So they're currently assembling it right now. Oh my god, I look like a hot mess. The time is 8 o'clock on a Thursday. Ian and I are both off. So we are here waiting for it to be assembled. I just woke up. Yes sir! So here's how our bed looks like. It just got delivered today. Bam! Focus. We're still going to buy our mattress. And one of the cool things I like about this is the sides are like mirror. And it has a mood light. Bam! Yes. Alright, so our plan is to buy the mattress today and see if it fits in our car. Yeah, it's a mess here for now, but we'll clean that, especially over there. Look, messy. Messy. Alright, we'll talk to you guys later. Maybe the next thing you're gonna see this will be with the mattress. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh, sorry.
We're at Miyabi Sushi for lunch. I'm not getting sushi. Just the bento box. So, I'll show you the food later on. How about you? What did you get?
The tagbento? Tagbento ah. Look at that the painting. Two Japanese doing selfie.
I'm craving for sushi, but I'm not getting sushi because I'm crazy and
all the trees start to shine. LA lights.
Alright, I got my food here. This is their lunch bento. It's about $12. I got rice, California roll. They have their pasta kind of salad, orange. That is honey teriyaki. Oh, what was this? What was this?
Salmon?
Teriyaki salmon.
Yeah, it's a salmon teriyaki, karage,
Yeah.
salad, your spaghetti salad. Okay.
Cool.
Do you need anything else for now?
We're good. Thank you.
Yummy and this is sauce for your tempura.
Alright. Someone cut me off, but so she already explained this karage teriyaki salmon.
This ain't no game, me and Nintendo ain't my name, so don't try to copy my style, cause we is not the same. I'm just trying to turn my goals into golden chains and fame, not the greatest in.
It's so hot. Oh, where's my eyewear?
It was worth it. The $12 was worth it. I mean, it's inexpensive for now because it's lunch, but wait for their dinner menu. It's good, but the price is also very good.
Oh, turn off the car, so fancy.
Yeah, it's called, if you happen to be in Tukwila by South Center, it's called Miyabi Sushi.
Alright, so we're heading to... Shucks. Wait, one sec. Where's my key?
I thought the key was lost.
Thai cuisine, no?
Is it?
Pho Thai.
I said, Bai Tong.
Pho Thai. Up it up. Oh wow, it's a line of all just food. Right, okay.
Right. So, where are we?
We're going to IKEA. Alright, so we're here in IKEA. They're still renovating their parking lot. That's the new building, okay? That's the new building. This used to be the old building right here. I can see it. Right there where the construction is going on. That used to be the old building. They demolished it and then they made it into a parking lot. So that's their new building. They're still renovating their parking space.
So we're inside at the marketplace right now.
Yes, we did not go to the showroom because, you know, we're gonna take forever. If we'll go there, we'll probably be here for 4 hours.
I know, so the showroom is in the 2nd floor and this one is in the 4th floor.
Yes.
So we know already what's in there, so. Alright, we had a list right here, but then Ode is not following our list. She's just like every aisle, she's like taking forever. So our list right there. That's our list. But it's just, you know, can't complain though. This is a nice table setup. So it's so pambata. Go, organization skills.
Trying to figure something out, but
Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Whoa. I wanna do that. And Ode is freaking out. This the one? We have a mattress.
it's on sale.
At,
It used to be $299. It's now on sale for $239.
I hope it works. I'm not pretty sure. So we end up like buying a lot. Because you know Ode, you know the drill already. IKEA. Where you shop, you go.
The only thing not fun with this thing is the light fixture, which is $30. The garbage can, which is $10. The what is this?
Sheeting.
Oh yeah, a fitted sheet for like $12 each. So I have 2.
Alright, they have also a clearance section over here, which we're going about to check what's in here. The clearance section.
What's out?
You go ahead. I'll just stay.
Oh, I like that. I like this. It matches our
Yeah. You like it? I don't like it. You like it? What's it?
But I like that. It matches the one we have at home.
But it's $279.
Never mind. Never mind. Let's go home. Alright, so we're back home and this is what our template looks like right now for the wall. And we just got done cutting our templates for our wall frames. Yes, the mess right there. Those are the real frames to be hanged there. However, for us to make sure that it's perfectly even, we made this crappy template. It's a leftover from the paint job that Ian did not too long ago. Anyways, let's get this started. This is just a template. This is not the final stuff yet. So it kind of looked like this. What do you guys think? I think it's, I don't know. So that two little ones are, those are shelves. We're gonna put picture frames on it.
I think the shell thing is like not good.
Yeah? So that map belongs here. And that two big frames belong to that spot. And that one is for that. Ta-da! Okay, this is the second template. Which one is better? The first one or the second one? I think I like this better.
You can see the bond paper.
Yeah, that's supposed to be the this ones. Right? I'm
Okay,
gonna put it there.
that's it. I'll start for work.
Alright, it's done! Done! Not really, it's halfway. So, Ian just got done putting the frames on. Ba-boom! Good job, Nget. Good job. So the next task is he's gonna edit photos to put over there. It looks great. You know what? Maybe let's just leave the, not blue, but like stencil it with some kind of color. Nget, good job.
Oh, mahal, oh. Mahal.
Mahal, oh?
Mahal yung bayad ko. Hindi mahal. Mahal to. Mahal ang bayad nito.
Nget, you have one more thing to do.
I have nothing to say, but I'm tired.
Okay, so that's the update. We'll give you an update on our next vlog. Probably in the next clip. I am really happy in how it looks like. Now it looks like the wall is not just plain white, but it has something on it. I told Ian let's pick black color, but he doesn't like black. He wants it just white. So it kind of blend in the white paint. Anyways, alright. And this is me. I'm using Ian's shirt. Bye, good night. See you guys later. Okay, our next task is to put the the mattress. Bam. Okay, let's show them how it looks like if the light is off. Lights off. Wow. Yep, that's one of the things why I like this bed, because it has the mood lighting. Bam. And then I picked the one that has drawers underneath, so at least we can use that the space. Ta-dang! Okay, let's get the mattress.
Okay.
You can do this.
It's like a punching bag.
Okay. That's what it is. Morgadol. It's really nice because it's rolled. Oh. Caesar, here we come, here we come, here we come.
Be careful to cut this because you might cut the...
Zer? I don't think you need a scissor for that.
Oh yeah, really. 'Cause,
Yeah.
you know, wait.
Okay, so our mattress is on and we have to wait 72 hours. 72. We have to wait 72 hours for it to fully, I don't know, fully achieve its thickness. Yeah, I think, yeah, we have to wait 3 days. Okay, let's turn it off. So I think that'd be all for tonight. Oh, let me bring this back. Tomorrow is another day. Tomorrow I'll be working night time though. So see you guys. Bye. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye. Nyet. Bye to the vlog. Okay, someone is double checking
You know what?
everything.
I don't have time with my garage because you always give me project.
Yeah, it's a mess. Say bye.
So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in this video. And mabuhay and aloha. Bye bye.